We have done a thorough clean of our freezer, emptied everything out, and we're starting over. Going to try to clean this freezer out at least every 6 months, for I don't get freezer burn or get things stocked up where things go bad. And now we're going to see what Grandma bought to put in this freezer and to redo it. Well, the pantry is full, so now we might as well start redoing the refrigerator and the freezer. I'm starting with a few basic foods that we can just grab if we need. Now, this is my favorite garlic bread. It has 5 cheeses on it and it's very, very good. Now, this is a Stater Brothers brand, but don't be put off by that. It's excellent. Try it. You'll be surprised. We got 2 packages of Hot Pockets for my husband. Have something easy, quick to eat. Got 2 packages of burritos. They were 10 burritos for $4, so that's not bad. So that's 20 burritos. And of course, both me and my husband love Spumoni ice cream by Stater Brothers also. And the frozen vegetables we also like. And they're quite a bit cheaper. But because of shortages and stuff, I was able to get the corn, but the mixed vegetables have been missing for, I don't know, maybe a month. And so I just bought what I could find. So the corn I bought because we eat corn all the time, and I always love mixed vegetables, and so I bought a package. Like I said, eventually we'll get a lot more stocked up, but I cleaned everything out and we're starting fresh. Believe it or not, it took 2 weeks, but the corn dogs are back. So that one counter that you saw with nothing in it for 2 weeks is now full again. And my husband got his favorite cereal, not cereal, cookies. Oh my gosh, I think I'm getting senile. Oreo Thin Mints he likes. And because crackers are becoming an issue, I have stocked up on some crackers. My husband likes these Ritz toasty chips crackers. These are sour cream and onion. And I went ahead and bought 2 more boxes of crackers. But this was the only thing I could find. And I didn't take any pictures to show you that that cracker section was getting empty. I had heard it was coming, and it finally happened. We'll check next week and see if they've replenished it or not. They did replenish the corn dogs. It took 2 weeks, but they got them back. I did get a little bit of bread. I got Raisin Bread is my favorite for breakfast, and bread for making sandwiches. Now, I also got a tomato and a head of lettuce, and that'll make a couple salads. And I got some chocolate chip to go in a special thing that I saw by one of my friends, and I will show you who it was. Showed how to make pumpkin bread or muffins or cake out of a spice cake. So that will be what I'm going to do today, and I'll share it with you tomorrow. With my awesome friend and Jennifer at home, and I got this great, easy pumpkin muffin recipe from it. She's an awesome creator, and she comes up with awesome things on her channel. I've been following her for about a year, and this one looked like something that would be super easy and Grandma's into easy to put together, and I bought all the fixings today to put it together. So, as you can see, you only need to use your cake mix and your pumpkin can, and you've got something awesome to eat. I can't wait to try this one out. And she mentioned chocolate chips would add a lot more flavor to it. That's why I bought it. So it was 3 items. And you just stick it in your muffin pan, and you got some great muffins. Sounds like an awesome good meal, doesn't it? Well, I'm going to make it today along with a roast, and we'll see how it turned out. I'll let you know. So this is what I got this week for, instead of my pantry haul, it's my freezer haul. Most of this is going in the freezer, or, well, some of this going in the pantry. Not much. All of this is going in the freezer to restock. The crackers, I do have a place in the pantry for that because we've been using the crackers up with soup that I've been making. The corn dogs, my husband's been wanting for probably 3 or 4 weeks, so I finally got some. So, and the pumpkin and the spice cake, I'm going to cook that up this week, so that won't even go in the pantry. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. The biggest thing on the table. I got another Scott's toilet paper. We still have plenty, but I told you as long as I can buy it every month, I'll probably restock up the paper towels or the toilet paper every month, one or the other. So for October, I chose toilet paper. The toilet paper is starting to go down a little, but there's still plenty there, and there's still plenty of paper towels too. So in November, I'll buy a big one of paper towels. So I think we're pretty well stocked up. I'm going to put this in the freezer and show you how it's going to look. And because I don't want to overload that freezer and get freezer burn again, because some stuff did get wrecked. Well, we'll probably put some more things in here and rotate things around. The burritos, my husband's eaten a couple of them already, so we'll probably put them all in one for next week, and I will put something in one of those spaces. His 2 little pocket packages of pizzas are fine. I put the vegetables where I can grab them easy and find them, and the same with the ice cream. And of course the corn dogs. Sure, a lot more can fit in here, and we will put a few more items in here, but I'm going to try to keep it not too full, because like I keep saying, we could lose power, and I want to be able to rotate things around for things don't get freezer burn again. That was totally 100% my fault. I let the stuff get too crowded, and it got messy in there. Now it's clean, and let's see if Grandma can keep it clean. I bought this today on sale. This was the last thing I bought. Instead of buying hamburger meat that, believe it or not, was almost $2 more a pound, I ended up getting this wonderful chuck roast on sale. And I can make a roast, I can make hash, and I can make stroganoff. 3 great meals, and each one of those meals should make 2 meals. So this one roast will be 6 meals. That sounds like a pretty good deal to me. So it's only a couple dollars per meal. But you know one thing about it, you gotta buy a good piece of meat, and this one was awesome. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Doesn't this look awesome? Boy, this doesn't have any waste at all on it. It's just going to be all yummy, yummy, yummy. I couldn't believe I got such a great piece of meat for such a low amount of money, especially when meat is going up so expensive now. So don't always look for something just cheap. Look for good quality, because this good quality meat will make at least 6 meals. 3 different kinds, and we can eat off each one of those meals at least 2 days. That's the best part, thinking before you purchase, to make sure you got a good quality meat to put some good quality meals together. Well, I'm going to show you tomorrow what I cooked out of this meat.